What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and your boy is doing another PC build. This one is, of course, sponsored by Game Pass, because you know, Game Pass has PC games. And this PC is gonna be themed after Age of Empires 4, which is coming to Game Pass for PC. And Age of Empires 4 brings both familiar and innovative ways to expand your empire in vast landscapes with 4K visual fidelity. Age of Empires 4 is an evolved real-time strategy game made for this generation. I'll have it, of course, linked down below in the description so you guys can learn more or get your hands on it. And guys, Game Pass for PC has a huge library of over 100 high-quality PC games. You get things from Xbox Studio like Age 4, Forza Horizon 5, Halo, and a ton more, so you gotta check it out. But I feel like for this build to get in the right mindset, I feel like I had to go out there and get a real taste of what the medieval times were like. And now, I feel completely ready to all right, y'all, this ain't gonna work. I try to make it work. It ain't gonna work. All right, so I got knighted. I think that was enough. Don't need the armor. What's important is getting this build together. Also, what's important is the fact that Game Pass has PC games. Now, if you guys are interested in the specs that we have for this build, we'll throw it up on the screen. You guys can see this is a bit overpowered for Age of Empires. The system requirements for Age of Empires isn't super power hungry, but I want to make sure that a strong system like this has some of the power to back it up. So that's the idea here. All right, so let's get here cleared up and then pop this case out. I'm gonna try a few crazy things in this build, and I'm hoping that what I've got in here comes together. Okay, let's see here. No, I got okay. I got this. So we've got this Corsair case. It's got like grays and whites. The ideas are coming together. I guess we just get it open and we start building.
Building now?
Yeah, what are we waiting on?
I'm fully prepared.
You're not ready?
We just built a PC.
I know, it's part of a series, Jay. We built a PC for Back 4 Blood. Now we're doing Age of Empires 4. And next up, we're gonna be doing Halo. And then we might have a couple more after that, who knows?
We're gonna be good after that.
Yeah, listen, our PC building skills will be through the roof after this is done. Your boy picked up the wrong size cooler, so yeah, definitely too big. We're gonna have to head back and grab a different size. All right, so we're gonna go inside, swap out this cooler, and get something with only 2 fans. I think that makes more sense. All right, so it sounds like they've got it in stock. Thankfully, I didn't want to have to switch out what we got here because it matches the theme so well. Perfect, appreciate it. Let's go. You know what's the good thing about all of this though, Jay?
The good thing. Let me know.
Game Pass has PC games. All right, y'all. It's like we never left. Let's finish this up. All right, guys, so for the most part, I think our build is done. Like the initial components and all that stuff. The front looks pretty good, but what you think, Carl? Looks clean, right?
It looks clean. How about the back though?
You know, it doesn't even matter. The back's not done yet. We still got some cable management to do. That's fine, that's okay. What's more important is making sure this thing actually turns on. Oh, okay. Let's see, we're not seeing anything on the computer though. I mean, on the monitor. Oh. Did I touch something or is it? Let's go! Mr. Evans would be very proud right now. All right, so we know that this is good. We just gotta get Windows on here and then of course Age, but we gotta theme it up. So let's clear her out and see if my vision can come to life. So we kind of talked about Age of Empire being the strategy game where it's war-based, different eras. So I'm thinking medieval times. I want this thing to feel like a knight in shining armor. That's kind of the idea here, with a little bit of what Age of Empire is all about. So that war, you know, medieval times where you've got the war going on and you got two opposing sides going, cha, you know, that kind of thing. I figured maybe we can kind of do something with that. I got these little army men over here. We've got horses, Carl, little soldiers with spears, archers. Come on, Carl. We're ready for war.
Be ready.
How do we outfit this to look like a battlefield without getting anything caught in fans? Okay, we could have like an archer chilling over here. Our swordsman in black over here. I think our positioning is pretty decent here. We'll give it a shot. Well, we have a glue gun. Glue guns aren't permanent. They're actually pretty easy to just peel right off. So I think that'll be a good way to get our little army men situated over here. There we go. But all right, we got the two opposing sides, black versus silver. But for now, I wanna get to some of the bigger aesthetic pieces. All right, you guys saw me messing with these before. Some shoulder gear, some arm gear, and then this will basically be our breastplate. This could be so cool.
Yeah, I see the visual.
You see? But the thing is, how do we get it fixed on here? It's a legitimate question. Maybe if we get some hooks in here. So like these guys right here, I mean, I guess we could go to Home Depot for something like this. Let's go out into the real world, Carl. Hit up some stores.
Trip time.
All right, guys, let's play a game. What's the most random thing you have in your car? Mine is a piece of armor. Okay guys, so it's time to head back to the studio, but our time spent here was really good. We got some really good ideas. I called a friend who's into this kind of stuff. You guys know Jared. This is actually gonna be a lot better than I thought. All right guys, we're back. I'm itching to see if we can get this going. So this will pretty much hold us together at the top, but we do need to cut some links. I think it's too long. But this is the beginning, you guys. It's the beginning of it. Okay, so the arms are probably going to be the last piece that we add to this. I think now we get the front decorated. So this will sit about here.
Is it like an armor kind of?
Yeah, it's gonna be, we're thinking layered armor. Oh, snap, all right. I'm a blacksmith now, Jay. I make armor. All right, is it exact? Probably not, but it's okay. So Jared was saying, just give it a tap. I think this needs a bit more than a tap. Hey Carl, you wanna hold this end right here? Why keep moving your finger, man? Okay, we're chilling. That's not bad. Add a couple more layers, and we got some armor. We're gonna use Velcro straps. We'll probably use more of these than I expected. So this could live up top, and then we have like a layer, and then a layer, like a layer inside, another layer inside, and then it goes all the way down. That makes sense? No. Okay, it's fine. I got it up here. All right, so we'll add a few more of these, and we should be good to go. Ready? All right, so here we are. We did it. We added our sheets of armor over here. So now, we just gotta get those arms, baby. So something I've been thinking about is accessing the components. It's one thing to get this fixed onto the PC, but a PC is all about being able to get in there and add or change whatever you need to. So I wanna know that this is gonna be able to get on here and still be accessible on the inside whenever you want. This looks cool. I don't care what anybody says. This looks really cool. I think I'm gonna start Velcroing. All right guys, so we've been racking our brain trying to figure out how to get this armor to stay on here, and it's been tough. Everything that we're thinking about just doesn't work out. Not to mention, this material, something about it, the Velcro straps just can't hold on to them. So I don't know. We got some putty here, maybe that could work, but I'm not feeling too great. I feel like my idea is gonna crash and burn, and it sucks. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. We're just gonna cut to the part where Jed solves the problem. Another snap. All right, guys, so solution found. Your boy's original plan with the hooks, I think we did it with this. Yeah, I think with the hooks, we got it. Now, this isn't the final look. Should we just get to the final look, Jay?
Yeah, let's just get to it.
Enough building and planning. Here's the final result. All right, guys, here it is, our PC for Age of Empires. This is our knight in shining RGB armor. I like the way this came out. I actually didn't think it was gonna be possible. We even added a sword. This was a process too, but we got it down. There's a lot of great teamwork in here. And it's got the subtle details, because if you go and look inside the actual case, we've got the little guys in there basically having a little war. It's like a war amongst 4 people, but it's okay. They're at war regardless. I like this. I like this a lot. What do we think, guys? You've never seen a PC like this, I guarantee it. Now, you guys already know this is part of a series that we're doing with Game Pass. Me and my boy Austin, we've been tackling a few builds. If you haven't seen the first one that we did with Back for Blood, you guys gotta go check it out. The video is hilarious. So I'll have that link down below in the description, and we're gonna be doing a few more. You know, we might get some Halo action in here, so definitely stay tuned and make sure to subscribe to the channel to watch that. But that about wraps it up for this video, guys. Huge shout out to Game Pass for having PC games and allowing us to make this Age of Empires build. I think this thing is awesome. Now, of course, you guys know Game Pass has a ton of great games. Game Pass is honestly one of the best subscription services you can get your hands on, because that thing pays for itself almost instantly once you download a few games. So you guys definitely need to play Age of Empires 4 on Game Pass for PC. If you guys want to learn more about it or get your hands on a subscription, definitely check the links down below in the description. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. How are we gonna ship this off?
Take it to UBS.
You guys figure it out.